Welcome back. This is the Honda CR-V, the most popular crossover vehicle in the world. It's the baseline for that range, and it starts around $24,000. I think it's popular because there's a lot of headroom and space to store stuff for the size of the vehicle. It comes with many general features such as safety features, side airbags, adjustable seat belts. You name it, it probably has it. This particular model has a sunroof and side mirror avoidance. It comes with vanity. Clearly you want to look good when driving. The inside console offers two USB, one to hook up to the infotainment system, as well as an outlet for 12 volt. This would allow you to do any sort of conversion for other devices that you may be traveling with. It has an econ mode to drive around, obviously improves the gas mileage. You have two sets of user adjusted support for the chair in the front. Glove box is pretty ample. There's a nice wood trim that's included in this higher end version. This is the limited, and we got to drive it around. It's pretty nice. It rides well. It's four-wheel drive, and you're basically getting something that doesn't look as if it could handle the winter, but you know that it could. So that's a nice trade-off. Here's that wood trim that I was talking about. It's on the dash as well as the side doors. It doesn't really extend into the back though. The center console also has this kind of stuff tray that's movable. It also has this armrest that lifts up, as you can see, and the stuff tray actually is able to be removed and pulled out of there. Cup holders in the door, like many vehicles. It's not too different there. This is an interesting system. So the display above your steering wheel, you're able to look through many things. There's navigation, for instance. You can look at how your awareness is. It tells you about your drivetrain, your oil life. There's a lot more things that you can see on this screen as opposed to a lot of other vehicles. I like this feature for you can keep your head up and eyes on the road, which allows for safer driving, obviously. The touchscreen in the middle does your basic things: radio, climate control, phone, maps. It's pretty zippy. I didn't see too many problems with it lagging. It's a darker sort of layout, so you may, in bright areas or if the sun's beaming in, it may be hard to see, but you may be able to change the background. I wasn't able to look through that while we were testing the vehicle out. But unlike a lot of vehicles now, Honda seems to be staying with having physical knobs, which is kind of enjoyable. It's only for climate, but I think it still is all right. I imagine they'll be going away from this in the future, like many other manufacturers. But for now, it feels like it's okay. It tells you traffic conditions on the screen, just like it would on Google Maps. I don't know if this is powered through Google Maps, but obviously you could connect your phone and then it would be. I was very surprised at the back door and the availability of it to swing open almost to 180 degrees. You get decent room in the back. There's also two USB spots there in the back as well. This allows for you to charge, but again, no USB-C yet. Or I guess lightning cable works, but USB-C is kind of going to be the norm now. Decent sound system. You're obviously getting what you pay for. This is the higher end version, so you get a little better sound system. The engine is nice. It's well kept and organized. I'm sure pretty easy to do maintenance yourself on. Shouldn't have too much trouble getting to things as it is really well divided. The back, you actually get a spare tire, another uncommon thing many cars today for fuel efficiency. That is nice. And the back is where this car really shines. So you got places on the side, little cubbies almost, where you can store things like bags and they won't ride around. Sound system, subwoofers obviously in the back. This feature is a little handle that allows your seat to fold down, making it really easy to put down the seats even from the back, and I actually enjoyed that the most Comes with a privacy screen for the back, and overall this car is wonderful. You get great room in the back, especially once you put those seats down, and for the starting price you're getting a lot. So take a test drive. There's many versions of this vehicle that are available still on the used market, and I hope you enjoyed the review. Catch you on the flip side.